everyone. Welcome to my channel Hood in Science. I'm Hood, a first year PhD student in the field of bioengineering, and in this video I'll talk about nanoparticles and one of its many applications. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do, and don't forget to press the bell icon if you want to know more about biology and bioengineering. Nanoparticles, as you can tell, is made up of two words, nano and particles. Now, nano means something which is 10 to the power minus 9 units, which means something that is 1 upon 1,000,000,000,000 times smaller. Something which is very tiny. I remember, at least in India, there was a car called Nano because it was very small. You got the gist, right? Now, I don't think so there's any need to explain what's a particle. So, if we club these two words together, we'll find that basically a nanoparticle is a very tiny particle of around a few hundred nanometers in diameter. So after having understood what a nanoparticle is, a question comes is that why nanoparticles? What's the need of these tiny particles? Why are researchers spending thousands of dollars to fabricate and study these tiny particles? I'll tell you, nanotechnology is dominating pretty much in all the fields. Whether you talk about electronics or mechanics or civil engineering or material sciences and even biology. In this video, I'll specifically talk about one of the most popular applications of nanotechnology in biology. One of the most researched upon applications of nanotechnology in biology is the field of drug delivery. Recently, scientists have been trying to effectively deliver drug to your body because honestly speaking, most of the drug that you take gets thrown out of the body even before it could reach your affected body part. Because a very small fraction of the drug actually reach your affected body part, doctors have to prescribe drug both in higher concentration and number of dosages to actually make the drug show some effects. And the third important point in the chain of thought is that once the drug is in the blood, it goes to all the parts of your body. Let's say only one part of your body has the disease, but the drug goes and tries to heal all the parts of your body like someone who's got Messiah complex. As a result, you get side effects, the most excruciating example of which is chemotherapy. In chemotherapy, drug is supposed to kill only cancer cells. But what actually happens is that the drug, once injected into the blood, kills all the cells that divide quickly. And it cannot differentiate between a cancer cell and a highly proliferative healthy cell, thereby killing both and causing severe side effects which are manifested as hair loss and ulcers, etc. Now, is there anything we can do to overcome these problems? So here comes nanoparticles in the picture. What scientists are trying to do is to use nanoparticles as a vehicle to deliver drug, a vehicle in its literal sense. Now, I'll give you an example. Let's say 10 army members from point A are needed to fight on battleground, which is point B. Let's also assume that these soldiers do not know the location and their destination and they don't have Google Map, nothing. So there's a high probability that out of 10, 7 get lost and only 3 soldiers would reach the spot. In that case, the head has to send a lot more than 10 soldiers to increase the chances of the required number of soldiers reaching the spot. But what if the army hire a bus that can drop them to the exact spot? Then you don't need a lot of soldiers to begin with, and 10 would be fine to go with. That's exactly what happens in drug delivery as well. Nanoparticles are like that bus and drug molecules are like those soldiers. Since these nanoparticles are designed in such a way that they can carry drug to the exact spot, the patients therefore no more need high amount of dosage or more number of dosage. Also, because nanoparticles specifically carry drug to a target site, the drug cannot show its effects on those parts of the body where it's not needed, hence reducing side effects. Bringing the example I used before again here, chemotherapeutic drugs, if are carried by nanoparticles, which specifically target the tumor, then its painful side effects can be significantly reduced. There's just so much to add to this topic and a lot that I can share. If you want to know more about it, please do comment below, and also do comment what else do you want to hear me talk about. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and click at the bell icon so that we stay connected.